Hey DIYers, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, I am making decorative plates to hang on my wall in honor of Valentine's Day. And you can use this technique for any kind of decorative plate. As a bonus, I'm going to show you how to make easy wine markers for your next gathering. I'm making both of these projects with the help of my friends at Grafix and Xyron. Grafix makes amazing plastic films that I use for everything from home decor to card making. And Xyron makes the Creative Station, which is my absolute favorite tool to use for everything from decoupage to sticker making. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hi. And I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some decorative plates and wine markers. Make sure you're printing on the rough side of the film. For this project, I'm printing the images in reverse, and I'll leave a link to the reverse images in the description below. In addition to the United States, Valentine's Day is celebrated in Canada, Mexico, the United Kingdom, France, and Australia. In Great Britain, Valentine's Day began to be popularly celebrated around the 17th century. These plates are mainly decorative, but they are snack safe if you're serving things like cookies, mini cupcakes, or crackers. A quick wipe with a damp paper towel should keep them nice and tidy. You can jazz up these wine markers with gems or write names on the smooth side with a metallic marker.